I'm Melton, and this is my latest graphic art, Forever Flower imagery. See my contact, think your contact. And yeah, try to call me 424-229-4140 and see both of our Gates livelihoods. Whatever boring thing you get when you try to contact me, it's not going to be boring. If you need the firemen, police, paramedics, we'll make a video of it. It's lifeline censorship. And yeah, come see me in person. When you see somebody besides me, the handsome bald guy Melton, son of a carpenter and married dad carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. See someone besides me, someone's done that. Make those videos if you had that call to me. You got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. Those hijacking a call to me, word enough about to all the phone where it's covered up. Melton, son of a carpenter and married, daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. I'm the son of a carpenter married, I get to tell parables, and this is my graphic art. For the day 22nd of January 2019. And yes, Mia and Darlene and Kayla, I've got your contact image. Oh, you can bring your own flower, your favorite flower if you want. But try to call me 424-229-4140. Make a video of America's hijacked lifelines. Not 193 taken over a decade of asking. Make that video of whatever you get when you don't get me. And then come see me in person, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California, 90065. VN, Melton Cemetery. Son of a carpenter, married dad carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. I'm the son of a carpenter, married, I get to tell parables, and I designed a lot of imagery today. 45 different images from 4 different photos. A lot of LA skyline imagery. Have wit, will travel, show me that perfect place to build. Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. Try to call me and tell me about that nice skyline to build against or to design with, and yet you're going to see religious censorship as well as business censorship. I could be designing an image that would drive folks into your business, but you can't reach them by phone. That's the devil hijacking America's lifelines. Make a video of that. That's also lifeline censorship. And yeah, go to these sites. Melton Join has the videos for the last year, and the others have 4x6 photos to download. Melton, son of a carpenter and married, daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Marianne. John Melton Bray's the full name. And this is my latest graphic art. Little flower imagery and a few skyline images. See my contact, think your contact. See LA skyline, think yours. Then try to call Melton, 424-229-4140, and see the devil stealing your imagery. Then come see me in person. Oh, make a video of that. That's your lifeline being hijacked, being stolen. Those hijacking your lifeline are worried enough about to alter phone records covered up. So get it on video, and yes, come see me in person. Tell me about that perfect place to build Jesus' immaculate house, to design imagery around as well. Have wit, will travel. Melton's flower imagery for the 25th of January 2019. Oh, go to youtube.com/DNFD series and look for the links. And by next month, at the end of this month, I should have these as 4x6 photos, as well as 27,000 plus from years past. Download, print out what you like. Print out what you like as 4x6 photos and laminate. I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop, or a couple of paper clips, some tape. Or you can put me in a frame if you want. And that's meltonjoined.blogspot.com, where yesterday I just put a whole lot of joined parable videos. Yes, I'm Melton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom, Mary Ann. I'm a son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to tell parables. And I also do a little graphic art. You can find at imagery-page.blogspot.com there. Download. It'll take you to a Flickr. It'll take you to a Google Drive. Download and print as 4x6 photos, like you print out your family's photos. Oh, laminate. They'll last real long time, and I'll keep you company on that desk, on that nightstand, on that tabletop. And yes, Melton Joined is where you're going to find big sets of videos, hours and hours and hours from yesterday. My funny parable bites alone is worth going there. But yes, you got to come see me in person to be in this imagery and videos as well. Sunflower imagery, this 9th of January 2019. Remember, I can design your flowers into forever flowers. Never have to water them again. Print them out 1,000 times as 4x6 photos or 8x10s even. Posters. Use them for your desktop image. Use them for a phone screen. Use them for a contact image. An image to send your friends as you text them. You email them. Try to call me 424-229-4140 and see the devil stealing your contact image. Your contact photo. You can have it as a small card if you want. Make a video of that hijacked call to me. That's your lifeline being hijacked as well. And come see me in person. You got my address right there. Line imagery today. That's Hill Street there, right by Grand Central, here in LA. And that's 5th Street. See my contact, think your contact. See my name, Melton, think yours. Try to call me. See your contact image being stolen. 424-229-4140. Make a video of that. That's also Lifeline censorship and certify your mail as well. Not one 9/11 Flight 93 check call. Checking America's lifelines in over a decade of me asking you to check your lifelines. No certified mail about the 93 checks either. Use FedEx, UPS, any private carrier. Make a video of the mail first, and it takes just 5 minutes to make that video of your hijack call to me. And you don't know when else that phone won't be allowed to work? Suppose. I'm Melton. This is my latest Forever Flower imagery. And oh yeah, that's a Drunk LA Fire Department. The Blogspot. Try to call me 424-229-4140 and see religious censorship in America. The kind that places the cowardly Hussein in our White House right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins. I've been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks for over a decade. That's you calling that number right there and reaching me. And knowing your phone works all the time, I've never gotten one 9/11 Flight 93 check. Certify your mail as well. The address is down there. And call up LA's Drunk Fire Department that has refused me decent medical treatment on a few occasions. And ask him, what do you know about me not reaching John Melton Brady? Check and post him 5 via speakerphone before we become tourists. Some cloud imagery, some tree imagery, and some bird imagery. Unfortunately, yeah, that's, if I'm not mistaken, the Saudi Arabian city by the sea, Santa Monica, where I had to work in because good employers couldn't reach me by phone. 424-229-4140. 9/11 Flight 93 check. Right now, make a video of whatever you get when you don't get me. John Melton Brady. Been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks for over a decade. No certified mail about the 93 checks or my imagery or nothing in a decade. which yes included working for that Saudi Arabian city by the sea. Ask them, how do you reach this man by phone when else will my phone not be allowed to work? That goes for all of California's tourists. Check in Post 5 before you come out here. Milton's latest imagery, my latest flower imagery, shadow imagery, and skyline imagery. Oh yeah, check it out on miltonpace.blogspot.com, and yes, always on Christ Complex 2, number 2 is the digit 2, christcomplex2.wixsite.com/daffodilia, DAFFODILIA, and also daffodilia.blogspot.com. On the Wix site, hit the heart, you'll find what I designed today or recently. And yeah, check it out. Go to the right of that heart, you're going to find 27,000 examples of my graphic art. Prepare this 4x6 photos, download, print, enjoy.